Are you still stuck with those traditional cleaning tools like broom? No matter how much effort you put in cleaning your house, it is never done thorough and properly, as a broom or a bottle brush only displaces dust. Your house and valuable car deserves deep cleaning without breaking bank. And Kent Zoom Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect fit for all your deep cleaning needs. How? It is cordless, hoseless and rechargeable, which makes it easy for you to carry around the house and to your car parked away from home. You can use its multiple attachments for cleaning multiple kinds of surfaces. And once it is fully charged, it runs for 30 minutes continuously. This machine is so convenient, easy to install and operate that even your other family members would love to be a helping hand while cleaning. Want to know what all we have got inside? Come, let's have a look. This is the 130-watt powerful cordless, hoseless and rechargeable machine which will help you to deep clean your home and car. The vacuum cleaner has a bagless design fitted with HEPA filter which is easily removable and washable. Then you get a motorized floor or carpet brush for cleaning your expensive carpets, sofas and upholstery, hard floors and even car seats and mats. 2-in-1 crevice tool that can be used for all deep cleaning needs in places like behind sofas and beds. A multi-nozzle tool which is used to clean hard surfaces such as floors and carpets. Extension tube for easy cleaning of fans and cobwebs in the higher areas of your house. This is an adapter that charges the machine in 4 to 5 hours. After fully charged, it runs for 30 to 40 minutes continuously. For storage purpose and easy charging, you can wall mount the machine. First, install this holder using these screws and screw holders available with the product. There is an instruction manual for all details related to installation, operation and maintenance. This is the 1-year warranty card for your peace of mind. Kent Zoom Vacuum Cleaner's bagless design makes disposal of dust super easy. Press the button of the dust container downwards and directly dump the waste in your dustbin. Our cars are parked outside and carrying corded vacuum cleaners is nothing but just a mess due to long wires. But this cordless and rechargeable Kent Zoom Vacuum Cleaner makes it all so convenient and simple. For cleaning seats, mats and boot space, you need to use the motorized floor brush. You can use the 2-in-1 crevice tool to reach difficult areas like dashboard, gearbox, area around steering wheel and other unreachable areas. This cordless, hoseless and rechargeable Kent Zoom Vacuum Cleaner is surely an ultimate cleaning partner, and it will take away all your stress regarding house and car cleaning. And what's more, it is easily available on all major e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart at an affordable price.